Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the console. Make sure the Xbox and the game are updated so options are current. Once updated, open the game and pause to access its graphics or display menu. Many titles expose Vsync there. If the game lacks a Vsync toggle, press the Xbox button, go to Settings General TV and Display Options as a backup. Do this now. You want the correct menu open before changing synchronization options so you don't miss in-game confirmations. You'll now make the actual change in the game's graphics settings. Navigate to Graphics or Display and find Vsync. Set it to off. Sometimes it's labeled Vertical Sync. If the game prioritizes frame rate versus smoothness, choose frame rate. For consoles that expose VRR, variable refresh rate, inside the game, turn that off too. VRR can emulate Vsync behavior. Once done, apply or confirm changes and quit to the dashboard so settings persist across sessions. Finish by checking system-level options. Press the Xbox button, go to Settings General TV and Display Options Video Modes and uncheck Allow Variable Refresh Rate. You should also enable Game Mode on your TV and turn off motion smoothing to avoid internal frame interpolation. If you still see tearing or stutter, restart the console and test a different HDMI port or cable. Sometimes the display or cable negotiates an incompatible mode. If problems persist, revert settings and try switching the game's frame rate cap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.